Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Dinuchi Loganathan. Today we are going to talk about how to integrate ServiceNow with Power Automate Desktop. Okay, so I'm in the ServiceNow portal. Just log in. Create your developer account. Once you create it, you will end up landing on this screen. Okay, then next, if you start click on the start building button, it will show you don't have the license or something like that. Okay, so for that you have to click on this, and you can change your role from App Engine Studio created to admin. Okay, once that is done, you can click on the start building. Then we will arrive on this screen. Okay, this our dedicated instance, I would say. Then let's try to understand how that ServiceNow REST API Explorer works. Let's try to understand what are the parameters we have to pass for the any API methods. Then we will get into the Power Automate desktop. Okay. Now I'm just clicking all here. Then I'm just type REST API. It should be there in the last API. Okay, this is the one I want to explore. Okay, click on the REST API Explorer. It may take some time. Meanwhile, what we will do, we will open the some incident management as well. Okay, incident management form. Let's try to understand from there. Okay, it is loaded. You can see here, this is the namespace. Okay, we have multiple namespace here, and this is the table name and API version. Okay, now I'm going to use the API is fine. Here we have the multiple tables, right? You can see here I have the table called incident. Okay, now let's try to understand how that form looks like. Okay, let's click on the incident. You can see here, this is how it look like. I will click on the incident number. Okay, we can't cover all the use case. For maybe for this video we will see how to upload the video, sorry, attachments to any incident numbers. Okay, for example, somebody raised a ticket, or maybe in some of the automation, if you want to add some of the attachment through bot, uh, that we can do it right now. Okay, so we will export that use case. So this is our incident number. So manually how you are attaching, you can click attachments here. Then you can choose from your local drive. Then you can attach in that. Okay, so let me add RPA text. Okay, then it got added at the last. Okay, so this is how we are doing it manually. Let's try to do that through the API. Okay, so here you can see we have the incident table name. Okay, I want to upload attachment to this incident table. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm just changing to attachments API. So what are the parameters we have to pass here? API, let's upload, right? We have to do the upload. You can see the multiple methods we have on the left hand side. You can see here upload attachment from the binary request or multi-part form. So all, I mean, both are post only. Let's go with the first one, attachments file. So it is asking table name, right? So we will type that is a incident. Okay, and table sysid is this This is this sysid. Okay, so from here to here. Okay, I believe this is the one. Okay, let's keep it here. And file name we can keep rpa text file dot text. Okay, then let's take the file from our local folder. Then I will try to send this text file through this API Explorer only. ServiceNow API Explorer. You can just imagine this is a kind of Postman only. Okay, where we have the URLs and query parameters, etc. We are just trying to test that method. So I click send now. You can see the response. It is showing 404 found. I mean 404 not found. I think there is a issue with sys ID, I guess. Let me use ChatGPT here. Okay, get sys ID from ServiceNow URL. Okay, let's copy this. We will try one more time. I think we appended with the D. That is the mistake, I guess. Let's try to run one more time and see what it responds. Again 404 bad request, missing parameter content type. Okay, so content type, where is the content type here? So this is a multi-part, right? Multi-part form. So multi-part form, create a header for multi-part attachments for REST API. Okay, so we will copy paste from the chat GPT. Okay, this is the one multi-part form data. Okay, I don't remember. I thought multi-part slash attachment, but it is multi-part slash form data. Okay, so here just paste that, and the response format is application JSON. That is fine actually. Okay, now let's rerun. Now you can see here it got created. Okay, now let's change the name. Let's check that now. Okay, I will refresh. You can see here rpa text dot text, right? Now let's add rpa text updated dot text. Okay, maybe rpa file, rpa service now, or maybe let's keep like this. Service now file, service now attachment, service now attachment dot text. Okay, let's run this now. You can see here another 201 created response from this API method. Let's verify that. Okay, I will refresh this incident. You can see here that service now attachment dot text file got attached. Okay, through this REST API Explorer. Okay, so the REST API Explorer is kind of Postman only. Okay, now let's go ahead and create a similar flow in Power Automate desktop. Okay, this is my Power Automate. I will just change into the developer environment. It will take a few seconds. Okay, so we are in the EAP developer. It is loading. Okay, perfect. It got loaded. Let's go and create the new flow, and let's name it as service now. Okay, service now upload. Service now upload. Okay. Okay, now we have workspace. First, let's take our file in the binary. Maybe just invoke is fine. Invoke web service. Let's drag and drop. Okay. So here we have to bind the URL, right? So let's take the URL from REST Explorer only. You can see here. So this is how we have to add. Okay. So I will add this and I can name my file as ServiceNow demo. Okay. This is how I want to do that. Then I change into post and accept as a JSON, and I want to upload attachments, right? So I will pick it. It supports file and direct file and binary format. You can choose as per your convenient. Okay, you can use file to binary action, then you can convert your file into binary, then you can attach your binary files here. Okay, or you can directly use file also. Click on the attachment, then you have the file browser option here. Then let's take maybe this Excel file pad training. Okay, so pad training dot xlx. Okay, let's keep this, and the same file I will keep it here also. Okay, file name. Now so far good. Okay, let's expand that, and you can see here this is HTTP authentication. We have to add the authentication, right? So where we will get that? Let's go back to the service now. In the developer portal, you can see here manage instance password. Okay, click that. You can see here admin and that password. Let's copy this password also. I pasted here and I saved this. Okay, now let's try to run this and see what it generates as a response. Okay, perfect. You can see here we got 201 response. That means created. You can see the response also. It is a straightforward integration. You no need to sweat much actually. So we pass the pad train.xls, and this is the response we got from the ServiceNow API. Okay, let's go back and verify this. Okay, let's go back to here, and you can, I think already refreshed. You can see here the bad training.xls attachment is added in my ticket. Okay, so this is how you have to do the integration in ServiceNow. If you want to do the file in the any incident attachments, you can do that through tables. I mean, you have to understand the table structure and all. So you can explore first how to do that through kind of Postman experience in REST API Explorer, and try to understand what are the parameters we have to configure. Then similar stuff you have to repeat in the Power Automate desktop, so that you can easily integrate it. Else if you just look at the document, then it is very super difficult to understand the structure and how it works, etc. So if you tested once here and you get an understanding how to do that, then the same procedure you can apply in Power Automate desktop also. Okay, I hope this video is helpful for who trying to integrate ServiceNow with Power Automate desktop. Even I just cover only the one piece of integration, but there are a lot to do. So but I believe this video give kind of the initial understanding how to do this. Okay, if you're watching this video without subscribing my channel, please consider to subscribe, and please leave your message in the comment box so that it will give kind of motivation to me to do more videos on Power Automate Desktop. And thank you so much for watching. Let's catch up on the another video.